Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video, we are going to talk about how we can add pictures inside of our PowerPoint presentation. So for the rest of this video, what I'll ask you is simply to open up your PowerPoint so you'll be able to do it at the same time as me. So in PowerPoint, you can add pictures in 4 different ways. So you can add them from your computer, you can add them from your mobile device, you can add them from stock photos and from internet. So the way you add pictures is pretty simple. You click on the insert button right here and then you go on picture. And here you'll be able to select what type of picture you want to add. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to add a stock image. So stock images are stock images that PowerPoint gives you access to. So let's say that we are looking for apples and we simply click on the search button. And here we're going to have a picture of apples. Now what we can do, we can directly insert that picture on our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And here, well, we're gonna have our designer tab that will open. We're not gonna cover it here. We can then modify our picture. So we can modify it pretty much the way that we want. So we can change the correction right here. So we can make it brighter, less brighter. So as you can see here, it's really bright. Here it became a little bit more dark. So let's not modify it. Same thing for colors. We can change the colors right here. So we can change the saturation. We can change the tone, we can change well, pretty much however we want to change the colors, so we can add some more artistic effects right here. So as you can see, we can, there's many artistic effects that exist, so let's say we want to try this one. So as you can see, this one is more pixely. So there's many artistical effects that we can use for our picture. There is transparency as well, so you can make your picture more or less transparent. So if you want to add some text in the background, for example, this can be really useful. And finally, you can add elements to your picture. So let's say right here, for example, I can make a square around it, for example, or I can make it in a circle format. So this is how you can pretty much play with the picture that you have just added. So those are, once again, stock images directly from PowerPoint, so you don't have to look through the internet. You can also add other type of pictures. So as I said, I can add pictures from my device, from my mobile device. I can find pictures online as well, so it's going to be the same concept. Microsoft PowerPoint will give you access to online pictures with Bing. And here you can, for example, look for pictures of apples. So here you go. I have a few pictures of apples that I can pick from, and it's pretty much the same concept. So let's say this one, I can add it, and here we go, I'm gonna have a picture of an apple that will appear. So here we go, I have my apple picture right there, and I can do the same thing with this apple picture. I can modify it, change things, and pretty much do whatever I want with it. So this is how you can add a picture directly from directly on from PowerPoint directly to your PowerPoint presentation, and how you can modify that picture. So that's it for this video. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.